What's going on? So like, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Isaiah here with another how-to for your soul, so you can feel good, get some good nutrients in you. Today I'm being joined by my beautiful assistant Jennifer. She's hiding, but hi, Baba.
Hello.
All right, today in this wonderful tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make almond milk. Almond milk is very delicious, highly nutritious, and is simple, and you really shouldn't be buying it. So let's get right into it.
And you shouldn't sip couch it.
No couch. All right, fam. What's up? What's up? What's up? Before we start, you already know, pinky's up, taking a sip. Water. If you're not drinking water daily, I don't know what you're doing. All right. So, almond milk. It's very simple, very easy, and very, very delicious. All you need to get started is a strainer, a nut bag. We got ours from Amazon, really, really cheap. Any container for storage, a 1 cup measuring cup, any container that you would like to put it in afterwards. Some vanilla extract, but it's optional in honesty. We just like vanilla almond milk. Dates, because dates are delicious, very sweet, and will blow your mind after this. And other than that, water. I mean, everyone got some water, so you know, just come over and get you some water. All right, so first we're going to get 1 cup of almonds, and this recipe is based off of 2% milk. So if you want your milk to be the thick consistency of 2% milk, you should let your almonds soak in this for up to 2 days in water. But you don't have to soak it that long. You can soak it for overnight if you want, but the longer you do it, the thicker and consistency your milk will be. You just do that. The amount of water you put in it doesn't really matter. The water you put in doesn't matter. You can fill your container up all the way if you like. Just know, like, as the almonds, the longer they sit, the more water they will soak up. So I just always like to put, for each day, just think of it like this: for each day you're going to have your almonds sit, just put a cup of water. Since I normally do 2 days, I do 2 cups of water. Then once you have this,
Lit her up.
this don't fit, but you get the idea.
In theory.
In theory, you just put the lid on there.
And
Then we just walk her over. Set her in the fridge. You set her in the fridge for 1 to 2 days, depending on how you want your milk consistency. Me, I do 2 days because, I mean, a little thicker almond milk is better because I like cereal. Then after that, we'll be right back. Magic!
I thought you were just gonna touch me.
Oh, was. I didn't know you were coming with me. My bad. That's
Oh,
fine.
it was? I didn't even realize.
And we're back, you guys. 2 days later. This is completely the same container. You know, magic and whatnot. This is what your almonds will look like 2 days later. As you can see, is noticeably bigger. If I get a normal almond. This almond on the left is the 2 day soaked one. Sorry about the lighting. But the almond on the left is 2 days soaked. As you look, really thick. And this is a fresh almond, really small. And see the water? The water gonna be nice and cloudy. You wanna get all that out because that's phthalate acids, and that's not gonna allow your body to soak up all the good nutrients. That's where your metal strainer come in. You just easy. Give them a good rinse. Wash them like they're your favorite toy. Give them some care. Oh, we lost one. So big. Like, don't be alarmed when you first do this and you see your almonds like triple in size. It's complete. And look, mutant is completely normal. Trust. All right. After this, I'm going to just rinse off the same container for time's sake. Alrighty, you guys. Today I will be using the good old Vitamix. Sponsor, not sponsor. Alright, you guys, so now I have our almonds. And since I did 1 cup, and yes, it's 1 cup, just remember when you soak them in water, they're going to get twice or sometimes 3 times their size. So I assure you this is 1 cup. For every cup of almonds, you're going to want to use 2 cups of water. Alright. Now you just want to put your almonds in here. Depending on how sweet you like your almond milk or just milk in general, I would just start with 1 date and just add from there because dates are pretty sweet. And since this is only a day or 2 batch because how easy it is to make, you should only be making it when you need it because no one drinks milk every day. So you can make yourself a batch a week, and this whole bag, if you look at this bag, all this is milk, so you're set.
He said no one drinks milk every day.
I don't. Milk nasty. Just rip the little date apart and just throw her on in there. Oh, man overboard. Okay. Now before you put it on high, all you're gonna do is just pulse it about 4 or 5 times. Y'all will see in the video, but you will not hear this. Pulse it about 4 or 5 times. Then once you do that, slowly crank up your speed, but it has to blend on max, which is 10, for 2 minutes. If you do not do this, do not come to me in the comments saying it's not smooth, because on site, we're fighting. It's on site. Pinkies up. Ready. Give it a whiff. Alright. I recommend 1 teaspoon at a time of vanilla. I'm going to put 2 in there because I know.
You like it?
Yes. Then hit a quick pulse. Also, please remember, this was just booling for 2 minutes straight, so it will be warm. Now at this point, it's completely up to you what you want to do. If you like nuttier almond milk, you can skip this part. But if you don't want like the nutshells and whatnot, then do this part. You just want to take your nut bag and just put the nut bag in the pot should just pour it in there. Mess free. And be careful because yes, it's warm. You just want to squeeze all your milk out. What you're squeezing on is like the almond pits, so don't be alarmed. And as you can see, please wash your hands.
Milk the almond.
It looks just like an udder. Man handle it, woman handle it, do what you gotta do for about 10 minutes or whatever you feel like doing.
Fill this all out.
Then from this part,
Taste it.
taste it.
Sure, you don't want to put it back in.
Mmm. Wow, that's good.
Good.
Wow. And keep in mind, you guys, it's warm, so once it cools down, it will taste
Much more.
better, but it's already fire. Now this part, do it over. Culinary pro tip, get you a funnel. It helps with messes. Is the container a bit overkill? Yes.
I didn't know.
But is it holding big flavor? Yes. So is it overkill now? No. Alright, you guys. You seen it. You tasted it. You smelled it. I just made some fire almond milk. It cost me little as probably honestly $10. But if you think about it, you can make almond milk for literally for the next 3 months. 3-pound bags of almonds, free. Big ups to grandma. Dates, you can get these for, I mean, these are like natural. So if you're about that natural life, you know they're gonna be a little bit more. But if you ain't about that natural life, you can easily get your dates twice as large as this for like $4. Vanilla extract is expensive, but that's why it's.
That's why we just spilled it. Why not?
Spilled it everywhere, but that's why it's very optional. And the Vitamix, well, you can use any blender, but you don't need a Vitamix. The Vitamix just helps. Let me just say that. I think that's all for real, for real. Oh wait, I forgot. The water, the most important ingredient for your life and being. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment for weekly uploads of your boy bringing you tutorials on how to better your body with wonderful food and drink, entertaining your brain with some random comedy, or building your brain with some tech stuff. I'm here every week. You're seeing this annoying face every week. And as soon as y'all don't see me, call me out, because then you'll see me that following week. So if you enjoyed it, thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one.